Bakit wala rito si General To?
Oo nga.
Did you tell
He was invited.
He was invited naman.
He was given notice. He was given notice.
So hindi siya sumagot sa tawag mo mula kagabi, sir?
The 5 calls, 5 attempts, wala.
Ngayong umaga, tinawagan mo ulit siya. Ilang beses naman, sir?
So, Sek, paano na mangyayari?
Sir, ulit lang.
Paano na mangyayari? Kung wala siyang hindi siya bababa, anong possible na mangyayari sa kanya?
Hindi naman siya pwedeng hindi bumaba. He just won't become chief PNP.
Hindi yung 4-star, sir. Paano yun? Kung hindi na siya chief
Floating.
so kayo, pwede nyo i-assign?
He was, yes, of course. So he received the notice last night at 6:30 p.m. So he knows.
No words. Wala na siyang reply.
Wala na reply. Wala na totoo. Not at all.
Kahit anong feeler, sir, wala.
Until yesterday afternoon, we were still talking.
Kailan sinabi ni President, sir, na maaaring magkaroon ng changes sa
That's executive privilege.
Pero today po yung sinabi ni President na today dapat i-announce.
Yes, the order was signed yesterday.